What's up, best friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am partnering with My First Wig to bring you this 16-inch frontal unit. It is already pre-colored, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, just ready to wear for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you the lace. The lace is bomb. You see how it's blended into my hand? Like, okay. So this is a 13 by 4, I believe, or 13 by 6. You saw the specs in the beginning. All right, so this is what it looks like. It comes with combs, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band. So this is what the hairline is looking like straight out the packet. It is definitely, you know, ready to wear, but I like a little bit more plucking to my hairline, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So again, I'm just going to show you what the hairline is looking like, and this wig basically reminds me of a closure wig instead of a frontal wig, because the sides of the wig is like maybe an inch. You know, you don't get a lot of parting on the side, so you get all the parting in the middle of the wig. So I'm going to take my Revlon tweezers and I'm just going to go ahead and pluck the hairline just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, because they already did a real good job at customizing this wig for you, so you wouldn't have to do anything, okay? But I'm being extra at this point, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more plugging. So after I pluck it and I make sure that the hairline is dry, I'm going to go in with my 1-inch barrel ion curlers. You can get these from your local Sally's or Amazon. I'll have an Amazon link down below for you guys. And I'm just going to go ahead and curl the hair away from the face and pin it up so it could cool down. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that for the entire wig. So the install for this wig is going to be super simple. I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I am going to put it on my stocking cap and just buff it in just to make sure that it blends into my skin seamlessly, because you know, we want a great install. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that. And my brush is from ELF. I have the ELF Pro series brushes. I love those, and they just nice. You get like I want to say 15 pieces for $50. They are really nice, especially if you do your makeup. I love them for my makeup. All right, so this is the wig, and I am just going to go ahead and we're going to install her. So I'm going to make sure that I pin back all the little flyaway hairs. So that's what you see me doing now. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Eben spray to apply this wig. So I like to work in sections because this is a spray. So I was going to spray underneath, but then I was like, okay, there's not a lot of hairline. So I'm going to just spray on top of the lace and then just cut it off that way. So I spray a little bit, spread it out with my fingers, and then I use the blow dryer to blow dry it down. It usually takes about a minute per section to blow dry, and that's not really bad at all. So once everything is down, I'm going to take a rat tail comb and just etch out my hairline, because you kind of lose it when you're using a spray. So I'm going to just part it out, and then once I do that, I'm going to take my razor and just cut off the excessive lace. And at this point, you know, I'm going to just take out my clips and everything like that. I did use the Eben spray to spray the hairline, and I used the elastic band to melt the lace down. And I'm going to just take out the clips and just paddle brush the hair into how I want it to look. But that's about it. Like, this is a really simple, easy video because the wig really came ready to wear. And that's if you're not comfortable with, you know, coloring and bleaching and plucking and doing all of that. My First Wig is in a very affordable company that you can go to that have wigs ready to wear for you. And then they also sell other things like wax and clips and things like that to help you do your install. But girl, like, if y'all out here paying for installs, y'all need to stop, because I so feel like I could do this yourselves. Okay, it's not that hard. It does take patience, it does take practice, but I feel like y'all could get it. So I typically like big hair, so I'm gonna just make sure my hair is big and fluffy. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Everything that I used in this video, which basically was nothing, will be in the description box. Everything that I normally use will be in the description box for you guys, all right? And until next time, bye, best friends. Okay, so this is what I came up with as far as styling. I did not really want to cut layers in it. It had subtle layers in the front. This wig was already parted off to the side, so I just ran with that. Honestly, this cap fits kind of weird. Or maybe my head is just extremely big and I cannot lay my baby hairs how I want them. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like right now. This is giving me mom wig, mom vibes. So Yes. So like I said, there's not enough room for plucking the sides, which is a bummer because this wig is actually really cute. Like, it is really cute. And I love the color. The color complements my skin tone. Like, I'm definitely loving browns lately. And usually I steer away from browns because I just feel like they don't do me justice. But I actually did good with these curls. Okay. This wig came ready to wear. You just have to style it to your liking. I don't like the messiness. Okay. If you don't mind that you don't have a lot of parting space on the side, this is definitely a nice wig. You did not have to customize this as far as bleaching the knots or anything like that. Like, it came in layers for you, so you did not have to go ahead and do that. I did go in and pluck a little bit more around the front of the hairline because I did not want it to look blunt like the sides do, but you really can't tell because my curls are right here. So it's just like, okay, well, it just looks like I just have bomb curls. You feel me? Yes, we love a nice pre-colored wig. You feel me? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye, best friends.